The story of the Earth is buried inside layers of rock. Fossils tell the history of what came before us. Their location and presence can tell us how old a rock or rock layer is. Fossils are parts of plants and animals that have died and are preserved in layers of rock for a long time. Fossil formation is rare. Things need to be just right for a fossil to form. Fossils are also clues to the past. They tell us what kinds of organisms may have lived in a certain location. They can also tell us what an organism looked like and how it changed over time. We can also learn what the environment was like many years ago. Fossils help scientists understand how old certain rocks are through dating. The date of a rock can be found in one of two ways. Either by relative dating, which shows the order of events as they happened, or absolute dating, which uses numbers. Looking at the order of events is called sequencing. Superposition is the way that layers of sediment line up to form rocks over time. The oldest layers are on the bottom, and the newest layers are on the top. Scientists can also determine which rocks are older by using logic, geological clues, and a little detective work. Usually, layers are lined up, but sometimes a geological event happens which changes how they look. This means that earthquakes or erupting volcanoes can change how the rocks are presented. Slow changes make thick layers, and rapid changes make thin ones. Scientists who study rocks can use all of these things to figure out their approximate ages, and when rocks are compared, we can find their relative ages. We can learn a lot about how an area has changed over time through fossils and rocks.